To me, being one of the youngest mayors of Cail City means a lot. I mean, the opportunity to even run is overwhelming to me. I love it. It's been great. I'm looking forward to winning because I really feel like I can be the one to help lead the city in the right direction and help it grow and prosper. Being a small business owner and being in politics has been a wonderful experience for me. I've learned a lot as far as what decisions made on the local level have an effect on small businesses such as myself. So that's something I've definitely learned and can help other small businesses community when decisions are being made and the effects it may have on them.
I want to tell you about the first time I met Chris, and I tell this story all the time. I wish I could remember the year. I know it was prior to 1992. That little boy at that time I knew was going to be something great when he grew up. He already was working towards his future, investing, doing things. And so I have watched him, then I watched him go through high school. This town is his heart. He belongs in this town. He just thinks of everything to make it better. You know, if we come up with an idea, he can come up with something better for it. He just knows what we need here. He loves it and he has a passion for it.
We're a very united community here and party here. So, but I think Perry County as a whole is a very strong Democrat county. But sometimes we kind of take it for granted, but I think we all need to make sure we're out there working, going door to door, talking to those voters, getting their opinions and feedback, what they want to see. Because at the end of the day, regardless of Democrat or Republican, we work for them, and we need to hear their message. My final thoughts on Cail City, it's a community that, it's my home. I love it. I couldn't imagine myself anywhere else other than here in Cail City. I want nothing but the best for it. I want to see it grow. I want to see its citizens full of pride and happiness. I want to see everybody have jobs. I want there to be, everybody feel safe in this community. I feel safety is very important. I want all of that for our community. Now's the time. It's time for me to run and do this.